Welcome to this detailed Fenado AI tutorial. Today, I'll walk you through the process of making changes to your app design and refining your prototype to ensure it's ready for development. Let's get started. First, we'll click on the Create App button and enter our prompt, taking inspiration from this app design as a reference for our cosmetics store to ensure a sleek and user-friendly layout. Next, we'll define the theme colors, a clean white background with light pink accents for a fresh and elegant look. Once the theme is set, Fenado AI will automatically generate the core screens for the app. The onboarding screen featuring a welcoming message, login screen where users can input their email and password, home screen showcasing trending products and an eye-catching grid layout, product screen with detailed information, cart screen displaying items users have selected for purchase. Now that Fenado AI has generated the screens, we'll take a moment to review them. Click Preview App to see how it looks. Everything is sleek, functional, and perfectly tailored to a cosmetic app. Fenado AI takes care of the rest, seamlessly transforming these screens into a fully functional app with just one click. Now let's move on to the next step. First, we'll check the login screen and compare it to our reference app. To make it simpler for users, we decide to remove the email and password fields. Instead, we'll add options for users to sign in using Google, Apple, or their phone number with OTP. We'll type, update login screen to only include sign-in options for Google, Apple, and phone number with OTP. Fenado AI processes the request and updates the login screen. Once the changes are applied, we review the screen and confirm that everything looks good. Next, we move to the home screen to see if any adjustments are needed. Referring to the design of our reference app, we decide to make a few updates. We type on the home screen, add a banner after the image that welcomes the user and includes a profile button option with an avatar on the banner. Fenado AI quickly implements these changes, updating the home screen with a welcoming banner and a profile button containing the avatar. Once the updates are complete, we review the screen to ensure it matches our vision. Everything looks perfect. Next, we move on to the product screen and refer to our reference app for ideas. To enhance the screen, we decide to make a few changes. We'll add size options for the product in milliliters so users can select the size they want. Additionally, we'll organize the information into clickable buttons for a cleaner and more intuitive layout. We type add size options in milliliters to the product screen. Include a clickable button for the product description, another clickable button for reviews, and a third clickable button for how to use. Fenado AI processes the changes quickly, updating the product screen to include size options and the new layout with clickable buttons for description, reviews, and how to use. Once the changes are applied, we review the screen again. To speed up the process, we've made a few additional updates to complete the app. First, we added a profile screen where users can manage their personal information and account settings. Next, we added a customer support screen to ensure users can easily reach out for help when needed. In the navigation panel, we rearranged the sequence for better usability. The new order is Home, Search, Wish List, Cart, and Profile. We also added a search option, making it easier for users to find specific products quickly. With all these changes implemented, we review the app to ensure everything looks and functions as intended. The design is clean, user-friendly, and fully aligned with our vision. Our goal with this process is to help users understand how to make the most of Fenado AI to create detailed and professional prototypes. For developers, these prototypes serve as a clear and comprehensive blueprint, minimizing back and forth communication and ensuring the final product matches the user's vision. That's it. With Fenado AI, creating and refining your app is simple, efficient, and effective.